we are watching some severe storms for tomorrow night. 95 degrees with high temperature today in the city of Boston. 95 degrees is the temperature right now. As we look over the city of Boston, you can see some clouds out there. Not a whole lot of sunshine out there, but it is certainly muggy and hot out there currently. As we look over into the western part of the state, there are some thunderstorms going on, but you can see what they're kind of doing. First off, they're moving very slowly, and second off, they're just kind of popping up and weakening. They kind of start out as a very small cell and grow into a larger one, but then they kind of weaken off. So I'm not too concerned about them progressing too far eastward. But we are in a more active pattern. Severe storms north of Boston tonight, and then there will be some severe storms in Boston tomorrow, but that will set the stage for a big cool down for Friday and for the weekend, which will certainly be nice. So for tonight, we're mostly dry. Maybe those very few isolated storms, they can kind of pop up anywhere, but I think most of us will be dry. And then tomorrow we'll have some severe storms in New Hampshire once again, and then they'll start to drop southeast, and I think these ones will impact the city of Boston and the western part of the state, but because of the direction they're moving, and I think Connecticut will stay dry from these storms, it's mainly just the western part of the state and the city of Boston. Between 6 to 8 p.m., they'll start in the city of Boston, bringing heavy rain, strong winds, and potentially some hail. And that brings heavy rain overnight. Really doesn't end till about 3 a.m. at night. And then that will set the stage for Friday, which is mostly dry with occasionally a few downpours and thunderstorms in the area. I think Friday morning there may be some showers and downpours in the western part of the state and maybe northern Connecticut. And then as we head towards the evening, there may be some downpours and thunderstorms in the city of Boston. And then as we look towards Saturday night, we may have some downpours going on. That'll carry into Sunday morning, but Saturday day is dry. Sunday morning will be wet, but only early Sunday morning. The afternoon of Sunday looks okay, and then there will be some thunderstorms as we head into Monday, which will then set up a quieter pattern. For tonight, it's a partly cloudy night, and then maybe those very few isolated showers and thunderstorms, but I think most of us will stay dry. 76 degrees, it will still be hot out there, so you probably want to keep the AC running for tonight. And then for tomorrow, we'll start out, it'll be pretty cloudy, and then we will have those thunderstorms in the evening. Wind southwest tomorrow at 10 to 20 miles per hour, and it will be very muggy out there, probably the most muggy we've been all week will be tomorrow. Temps tomorrow, 87 in the city of Boston, 95 in the western part of the state, and 82 on the Cape. So it will be a little bit cooler in the city of Boston, but don't be fooled by the temps because it is still going to be very muggy out there. Like I said, probably the muggiest day of the week is going to be tomorrow. Dew point 71. That is in the tropical range, and because of the clouds, we won't necessarily have to worry too much about the UV. Sun won't be super strong, only a 7 out of 10 between noon and 2 p.m. tomorrow. Here's how it looks then over the next 7 days. We'll have those thunderstorms around for the day tomorrow, for the night tomorrow, 87 degrees, still hot and humid. Friday, we cool off a little bit, 78 degrees. We will have those potentially some showers and thunderstorms during the day on Friday. Maybe some rain at night on Saturday, carries into Sunday, few thunderstorms on Monday, and then we go into a quieter pattern as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday. That's my latest forecast right now. I'll be back with another update tomorrow.